And so, welcome to this short demo. In this demo, I'm going to show you the deployment and basic functionality of our smart contract, that is Group 8 token. It was developed as part of a blockchain assignment at the University of Bamenda Center for Cybersecurity. So we're a 3-pair group, and this is our assignment. So our contract was written in Solidity, and we implement the ERC20 token standards using Open Zeppelin libraries. Um, the name of the contract is Group 8 tokens, and the symbol is JTK. The contract allows users to receive tokens automatically by sending Ether to it, or manually through a buy tokens function. So I will just show you how it is. So I actually deployed the contract, and I'll be showing everything on MetaMask. So I will open MetaMask, and on the tokens I will choose import tokens. I'll select my network is Folia. Then I will paste the address of my token. I've already deployed it, so I will just paste it here. You see it just shows. So this is my token, Group 8 token, JTK. So that's my token. It has currently 0 J tokens. So I want to send some ethers to my token. So from my Sephora account, I'll be sending this one now to my token's contact address, to the contract address, not just my token's address. So I'm sending 0.01 Sepolin 8. 0.01. So yes. So we will just confirm after everything loads. Okay. The transaction is pending. Okay, it has finally, it is confirmed, and you can see the balance for my Sepolia account has reduced. So in my J token, I have 10 J tokens. So now I would like to send these 10 J tokens to an address that the lecturer gave, that we should send these tokens to. So I'll just send, that's the address. Now I'll be sending all of these tokens. As I'm confirming, it's just disturbing. So confirm again. So I've successfully sent the 10 jet tokens to the lecturer's address. And if you go to my tokens, you see that I'm left with 0 G tokens. I'm even on a deficit. So I'll just copy the transaction ID and I'll go and paste it on Etherscan. You see that this transaction is actually verifiable. You can verify it. So I'll come to Etherscan. And I'll just paste the contract ID. And yes, okay, it's not verified yet. It's still loaded. My UBA education credentials. Okay, so you see this is the transaction. You see transfer of 10 GTK to this account, and this is everything about the transaction. So you can verify on Etherscan. So now this is my Visual Studio. I want to show the hard hat test that I did. That was done not by me, by my group members. And if you want to have this code, the link to the code is actually on the description. You can clone it from GitHub and you follow the instructions on the readme.md and you do all the tests and you can try it out. So this is it. And the hard hat test was successful. The deployment, the validation